Hostelgrup, a company leader in project planning and installations for the restaurant and hotel trade industry. Our head office is located in the centre of Barcelona. Currently, we have a great human team ready to turn your projects into reality. Hostelgrup develops installations individually adapted to the needs of each professional working in the restaurant and hostelry industry. Our aim is to realise projects with the highest level of excellence, offering constant technical advice. We study your case thoroughly and respond quickly and effectively. Our work method consists in implementing an action plan to introduce the quality management system ISO 9001-2000. Assign functionality to each space or work area. Design the floor plans in 3D and by floor, describing and making reference to the necessary equipment. And finally, the installation, the launch and the maintenance of the equipment. We carry out energy consumption studies and the power of the production apparatus, plumbing locations, electricity, water outlets, drains, gas and cooling installations. In this way, we carry out the fine-tuning of the installation. The assurance of our work is essential. We give priority to aspects such as the conservation of food with respect to the cooling chain, the fulfillment of the prevention and health security rules, the hygienic handling and food distribution. Our effort contributes to the continuous improvement of our products. The main objective of Hostelgrup is the commitment to solve any problem quickly and efficiently. Our mission is that technical support is reachable by the client, offering an immediate and effective answer. Our large workforce of technicians offers assistance 24 hours a day. Hostelgrup, the company leader in this sector, installs equipment for restaurants, schools, hotels, government buildings, groups and companies working in hostelry. Our infrastructure is easily adaptable to the needs of our clients. For Hostelgrup, there are no small customers. Each one deserves a specialised service that stands out on its own. Our final objective is to fulfil all the needs of our client. The Fast Show cooking trolley is a revolution in the world of the kitchen spectacle. Cooking right in front of the customer, serving healthy, quick food without the hassle of installations or smoke extractors. Built into the trolley is a cooking area powered by induction with a built-in anti-smoke extraction system, in addition to a unit for food conservation. Fast Show cooking is ideal if you want to give your business an added advantage that differentiates your business from the rest.